And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Just a little over a half hour ago, just the last rays of daylight there escaping from view. Very pleasant day here in Lethbridge today compared to weather-wise what we were having earlier in the weekend. It was a little snowy, not the case now, and earlier on Saturday, I would like to say that I took these shots, but it was my very brave husband whom I said to, honey, come out on the deck and take these pictures, will you, please? Full moon going into the lunar eclipse, and then of course we had that rosy moon that was visible just as the Earth's shadow pulled away, just as sunrise was happening. So it was a beautiful shot, and I was inside drinking my coffee. Thank you very much. Minus 10 degrees is where we're at right now under very nice clear skies. Winds out of the south-southeast at 7 kilometers per hour at the surface. Up top, they're straight out of the north, so that's why we still have these chilly temperatures. A lot of cold air still up above us, but we are in between two systems right now, so getting a bit of a break as far as the snow activity goes. Could see a reoccurrence of snow activity as we get into Wednesday because of another system, but all over we've got chilly temperatures, certainly below average values in most areas. For us here in Lethbridge, we should be sitting at 0 for this time of year, and that is clearly not the case. To the west of the Continental Divide, temperatures faring a little better in the minus single digits. We're already starting to see a little bit of cloud cover coming in from the rotation of another low that's building in the Gulf of Alaska. It's causing drifting snow in northern sectors of the Yukon and into the Northwest Territories. Just seeing the starting of that development of snowfall, and that will be affecting, of course, central BC and then sliding into southern Alberta. But right now we are looking at very clear skies here. The forecaster, when you see the cloud cover coming in, don't be surprised on Wednesday because it is all part and parcel of this system moving across, and the forecaster is going to track this snow moving further through the interior as we get into the ensuing days, and eventually as we get into Wednesday, it looks like the southwest corner of the province, and we don't see that in the forecaster information, but the southwest corner of the province will be affected come early Wednesday as far as some flurry activity. But as I was saying, it doesn't look like it's going to be as big an event as what we had with the system that moved through late Saturday into Sunday and brought us all that snow. Between, say 11 and 15 centimeters of snow is what we had in total, depending where you were in the Lethbridge region. Very pleasant temperatures down east. Area of high pressure now being overridden by an area of low pressure that's bringing some precipitation along with it. But they had a lot of sunshine, so managed to warm up today. But as they get into Tuesday and Wednesday, even into Thursday, expecting a rain-snow mixture in many areas of the Maritimes and through Atlantic Canada. Very windy along the western edge of Hudson Bay right now. To the south, snow in Winnipeg at minus 14 degrees, some snow in Saskatoon at minus 8, minus 5 in Edmonton right now, sun and cloud mix and 4 degrees in Vancouver. And as I mentioned, big system moving in off the Gulf of Alaska, and that's causing drifting snow through Whitehorse and into Yellowknife. Temperatures aren't too bad in Yellowknife right now at minus 2 degrees, but by this time tomorrow, they'll be sitting at minus 24 degrees. East Kootenay, you're looking at an overnight low of minus 14 degrees under mainly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, you'll have a sun and cloud mix, minus 8 for a high, west winds at 20 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, few clouds tonight, down to minus 11, sunny tomorrow and windy tomorrow as well, minus 4 degrees for your daytime high. Through the Medicine Hat area overnight tonight, you're expecting a chance of some flurry activity in the mix and certainly overcast skies. Minus 13 degrees will be your low tonight. You'll recover to minus 3 tomorrow. You'll have a sun and cloud mix. Winds will be out of the west at about 20 kilometers per hour. Here in Lethbridge, we're looking at clear skies tonight, down to minus 14 degrees for a low. Our high tomorrow will be minus 6, and we'll have southwest winds gusting to 40 in the afternoon hours. Minus 6 tomorrow, minus 6 again on Wednesday, Thursday. We've got cloudy skies. And as I mentioned, Wednesday's the day when we could see some flurry activity out of that, but it doesn't look like it's too concentrated at this time. And then temperatures start to move up the scale, 0 for a daytime high on Friday, and even Saturday's looking very pleasant at plus 5. There's your record temperatures for the next few days. The most recent one, of course, 2009, it was a chilly overnight low of minus 35 degrees. So it's always worse somewhere else, and we're not getting those temperatures here as far as the minus numbers. So enjoy what we have and look forward to the weekend. That's it for me.